it is given that y is equals to 12 over square root of x. Write a statement to express the relationship between y and x. That's part A. Part B, calculate x when y is equals to 4. So this is clearly an inverse proportion. Alright, when we see y as the numerator on one side and the x term or the other variable as the denominator on the other side, that means they are going to be inversely proportional to each other. Now this is different as compared to direct proportion. Direct proportion, you will see both of the terms, both variables as a numerator. Okay, so how do we write the relationship between y and x? Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. Okay, not the square of x, square root of x, because there is this root here. Okay, now part A done. Now for part B, calculate the value of x when y is equals to 4. So what we do, we write the general equation first and we replace y with 4. So 4 is equals to 12 over root x. And to find x, we need x to be at the top. So what we can do is cross multiply. So square root x is equals to 12 over 4. Square root x is equals to 3. And x, to remove a square root, we need to square both sides. So we square here so that the square root is gone. But don't forget, whatever we do on the left side, we do the same thing on the right side. So 3 square x will be having a value of 9. Final answer, x is equals to 9 when y is equals to 4.